Tsaka yung itong upcoming single mo na i-launch nitong May 26, go ahead. And of course, kung meron ka mga gustong batiin at pasalamatan, go ahead.
Thank you po. Actually, gusto ko lang po talagang i-highlight po yung i-release ko po na single this May 26. Again, abangan niyo po ang release ng aking second original single entitled Don't Wanna Give Up My Love For You on May 26 po. Mapakinggan niyo po siya sa lahat ng streaming platform, Spotify, Apple Music, Deezer, Amazon Music, and even YouTube Music po. It's about a man fighting for the love of his life, that no matter what happens, no matter what it takes, dumaan man ng maraming bagyo, dumaan man ng maraming unos, his love will never die.
Ayun.
Yun po.
Yun pala ang meaning nitong Don't Wanna Give Up My Love For You. Ayun. Hugot pala to, hugot ng pagmamahal.